Hi friends, welcome to Study SSC. Today we are going to discuss the topic simple interest, which comes under quantitative aptitude section. Now let's jump into the video. Now let's look at the basic formulas in simple interest. How to find a simple interest? The formula for finding simple interest is PNR by 100. PNR by 100, where P stands for principal amount, I stands for interest, and N stands for number of years. Now let's move into the questions. Find simple interest on rupees 68,000 at 16.2 by 3% for a period of 9 months. We know that the equation to find the simple interest is PNR by 100. Here we can see that P is 68,000. The rate is 16.2 by 3. It can be written as an improper fraction. That is 16.2 by 3 can be written as 16 into 3, that is 48, plus 2, that is 50 divided by 3. Okay, so here P into R, that is 50 by 3 into 9 months. 9 months should be written in the form of year. Okay, so 9 months can be written as 9 by 12. Also, we have a 100 in the denominator. So, we can cancel the 2 zeros of 100 here. So, 3 into 3 is 9. This 3 and 12 can be cancelled. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. Also, 680 divided by 4 is 170. 170 into, here 50 is the remaining number. So, 170 into 50 is 8,500. This is the simple interest for a period of 9 months. The simple interest on a certain sum of money for 2.5 years at 12% is rupees 40 less than SI on the same sum for 3.5 years at 10%. Find the sum. We know that the equation for finding the simple interest is PNR all divided by 100. So here the difference in simple interest is given as 40. So we can write 40 is equal to P. In the first case, we can see that it is 3.5 years at 10%. 3.5 years can be written as 7 by 2 years. Also, R is 10 all divided by 100 minus P into, for 2.5 years it is at the rate of 12%. Okay, 2.5 can be written as 5 by 2 into 12%. Okay, all divided by 100. So we can see that 40 is equivalent to, P is common here, so we can take P out. P into 7 into 10, 70. 70 divided by 200 minus 12 into 5 is 60. 60 divided by 200. Okay. So we can see that when we simplify, we will get P into 70 minus 60 is 10. 10 all divided by 200. 200. So in order to find the value of P, okay, we have to transfer the values closer to P to the other side. That is 40 into 200 divided by 10. Okay, this 10 and this 0 is cancelled. So P is equal to rupees 800. A sum of rupees 12,500 amount to rupees 15,500 in 4 years at the rate of simple interest. What is the rate? Here we can see that P was 12,500 and it amounts to 15,500 in 4 years. So first we have to find the difference between this 12,500 and 15,500. 15,500 minus 12,500. What is the value? It is 3,000. Okay, this 3,000 represents the simple interest for 4 years because the simple interest is same in every year. So for 4 years the simple interest is 3,000. So for 1 year the simple interest is 3,000 by 4, which is equal to 750. Okay, now we have to find the rate. We know that the equation of simple interest is PNR by 100. Here we have to find out the R. So SI into 100 by PN. Here SI for 1 year is 750. 750 into 100 divided by P is 12,500. N is 1. Okay, we can cut these two zeros. Okay, now 750 can be solved by using 5. 5 into 150 is 750 and 5 into 25 is 125. So 150 by 25 is 6. 6% is the rate. Okay, R is 6%. Rupees 800 becomes rupees 956 in 3 years at a certain rate of simple interest. If the rate is increased by 4%, what amount will rupees 800 become in 3 years? So here we can see that the principal amount 800 becomes 956 in 3 years. As seen in the previous question, the difference between 956 and 800 is 156. Okay, 156 and it is for 3 years. So on dividing by 3, we will get the simple interest for 1 year, that is 52. Next thing we have to find is the actual rate of interest. Okay, so by solving as in the previous method, we can see that SI into 100 divided by PN, that is SI for 1 year is 52 into 100 divided by P is 800, N is 1. Okay, we can cancel these two zeros. So we will get 52 by 8, which is equivalent to 13 by 2%. This was the previous rate of interest. So if the rate is increased by 4%, what amount will rupees 800 become in 4 years. So we have to add 4 percentage rate to this 13 by 2. What is the rate? New rate? We can write 13 plus 2 into 4, 8 whole divided by 2. Okay. So the new rate is 21 divided by 2. Now we can find the amount. What will be the SI according to the new rate? Okay, SI equal to 800 into 3 into 21 all divided by 2 into 100. Okay, this 0 and 0 of 800 can be cancelled. Also 2 into 4 is 8. So the simple interest is when we multiply 21 into 3, that is 63. 63 into 4 is 252. Okay. So we can see that the amount is equal to P plus SI, that is 800 plus 252, which is equal to 1052, and this is the answer. In what time will rupees 8,500 amount to rupees 15,767.5 at 4.5%? Okay, here the principal amount is 8,500 and it amounts to 15,767.5. So we have to find the difference between 15,767.5 and 8,500. So we will get 5.76. 7 minus 5 is 2. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. 7267.5 at a simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. P is 8,500. N is the value which we have to find out, and R is 4.5 divided by 100. Okay. So here we can cancel this 0 and this 0, and we have to cross multiply this 10 to opposite side. So we'll get 72,675 divided by 850 into 45 can be written as 85 into 45, which is equal to the N. Okay. On simplifying this, we will get N is equal to 19 years. A sum of money amounts to rupees 850 in 3 years and rupees 920 in 4 years. What is the sum? What is the difference between 850 and 920? That is 70 rupees. Okay. So here we can see that sum of money amounts to rupees 850 in 3 years and 920 in 4 years. So here is a difference of 1 year. So the simple interest for 1 year is rupees 70. Okay. What is the sum? We have to find out the sum. So what is the simple interest for 3 years? That is 70 into 3. That is 210. Okay. 210. So to find the principal amount, what we have to do is to subtract 210 from 850. That is, this is the amount A minus SI. Okay, 850 minus 210. So we will get 5 minus 1 is 4 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So the principal amount is 640. A certain sum of money amounts to rupees 2613 in 6 years at 5%. In how many years will it amount to rupees 3015 at the same rate? So we can see that a certain sum, that is P, amounts to 2613 in 6 years at 5%. So we have to find out the principal amount. We know that simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. So this represents the simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P N R all divided by 100. Okay. So amount is 2613 minus P is equal to P into 6 into 5 all divided by 100. Okay. We can cut this 5 and 100. 5 into 20 is 100. And we can cut this 6 and 20 also by using 2. 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 10 is 20. Okay. So we will get 2613 is equal to 3P by 10 plus 10. Sorry, plus P. Okay. We will get, we have to cross multiply. So 10P plus 3P is 13P by 10. Okay. Now we get that 2613 is equal to 13P by 100. So we will get P is equal to 2613 into 100 by 13. So on solving, we will get P as 2010 because 13 into 2 is 26, 2, then we will get 0 and 13 into 1 is 13. So the P is 2010. In how many years will it amount to rupees 3015 at the same rate? Okay. Now we see that P is 2010 and amount is 3015. We have to find the difference. 3015 minus 2010. Okay. And the answer is 1005. Okay. Now we get the simple interest. So 1005 is the simple interest. So the equation of simple interest is equal to, here P is 2010. P, we have to find N and R is 5. Same rate of interest 5. Okay. By 100. We can cancel this 2. 5 into 2 is 10. Okay. On solving this question, 201 into 5 is 1005. So we can cancel these two and N is 5 into 2, 10 years. A A sum of money invested at simple interest acquired to rupees 800 in 3 years and rupees 840 in 4 years. What is the rate percentage? So, we can see that there is a difference of 1 year. So, the simple interest for 1 year can be obtained by subtracting this 840 and 800. The difference between 840 and 800 is 40. That is the simple interest. And we have to find the rate percentage. Here P is 800, N is 1, and R we have to find out, all divided by 100. We can cancel this zeros. So R is equal to 40 by 8. That is 5%. Some amount of rupees 7,000 was lent at 6% per annum and remaining at 4% per annum. If simple interest from both the transactions after 5 years was rupees 1,600, find the sum lent at 6%. Okay, we can see that simple interest from both the transactions after 5 years was rupees 1,600. So for 1 year the simple interest was 1,600 divided by 5, that is equal to 320. So we have to find out the rate of interest first. So according to the equation, SI into 100 by PN. Here simple interest is 320 into 100 by principal is 7,000 and N is 1 here. So we can cancel these zeros and also these two zeros. So the rate of interest from both the transactions was 32 by 7. Okay. Now we can use the allegation method. Allegation method is one of the important methods that we use to find the answers easily. So first we have to write some amount of rupees 7,000 was lent at 6% per annum. Okay. So we have to write 6 in the first place. Okay. And the remaining at 4% per annum. So we have to write this 4 apart. And in the middle, that is the rate from both the transaction is, we have obtained it as 32 by 7. So we have to write in the middle as 32 by 7. Next thing we have to do is, so on solving this, that is we have to subtract 6 minus 32 by 7. We will get 10. 6 minus 32 by 7 is 10 and we have to write it here. And next is 32 by 7 minus 4. So we will get 4. Okay. This represents the ratio in which the sum of amount was divided. 4 is to 10. That is 4 represents the amount that is lent at 6% and 10 represents the amount that is lent at 4%. So in the question we have to find out the sum lent at 6%. Here we can see that it is 4. So we have to write 4 here and the denominator. Denominator we have to write the total sum. That is total sum is 10 plus 4. That is 14. 14 into, what is the total amount? 7,000. Okay. On solving we will get, solving by 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 7. Okay. Now the answer is 2,000. The amount lent at 6% is 2,000. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe for more videos.